Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Russian drowned at Zori beach at Canagini water sports boat with 14 tourists on board. Capsizes, lifeguards save 11 boats, operator booked. Cancellations of leases cannot be ruled out if leases holders are found guilty even after renewal. CM warns criminal proceeding against mining companies for non-cooperation. Supreme Court slams Centre for trying to protect black money holders. Goan miner Radha Timlo says official donation to a political party not a crime. Goa government to ask more space for aircraft parking at Dabolim Airport. CM to meet Defence and Civil Aviation Minister at Delhi. And families of Hajis in Goa panicked. Flights delayed by 2 days. Families blame Air India officials for mismanagement. Blame Air India staff for no cooperation. Now the news in detail. 3 Russian tourists drowned at Zori beach in Canagini Cape on Tuesday morning. A sports boat carrying 14 passengers with 2 children capsized near Kudborn jetty. Lifeguards saved 11 passengers on board. However, 3 Russian women got drowned with strong sea currents. Dead bodies were shifted to Hospicio Hospital and later to the GMC. The boat ventured into the sea despite a cyclone alert by the IMD. Boat operator has been booked for negligence.
3 Russian tourists breathed their last on a ride in a sports boat. The water sports boat was carrying 14 passengers on board and was on a sporty ride from Mobor via River Sal. With sudden strong currents in sea, the boat capsized near Kudbona jetty. This incident occurred in Zori beach at Canagini in Cape.
It's an accident, I should say, but knowing fairly well the cyclonic warning that was issued by the meteorological department, I think they should have restrained themselves, the sports tour operators or the water sports operators. They should have restrained themselves for at least these 2 to 3 days.
Water sports boat operator Kevin Aguirre has been booked for the offence.
11 सुमार हो इन्सिडेंट जालो आणि 30 पावतरी बोट पडली बोटी पडटरी थोडे गेस्ट भायर पडले उदकांतले भायर पडले आणि 3 जाण गेस्ट भितर उरले पलटी बोट जाली सारकी पलटी जाली तिने उकळपा पलटी करपा आमच्यांचे जायनासले ते भायर पडले तांकां आमी काडलो भायर काडलो बारीक भुरगीं बी आसलीं तांकां बी काडलो आनी थोडे गेस्ट वयर चडले आपूण जावन वयर चडले आनी थोडे आमी गेस्टांक आमी भायर काडलो
कित्यान जालो दिसता इन्सिडेंट
वसाट पावरफुल आसली वसाट हिमालची पलटी जाली बोट आनी गेस्ट मेळ्ळे.
Deputy Collector of Cape has appealed the water sports boat operators to restrain from venturing into the sea, especially when the IMD has issued a cyclone alert. The Russian tourists were staying at Betal Batim and another Russian was staying in Margaon. Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
Even after renewal of mining leases, cancellation of leases cannot be ruled out if the lessees are found guilty in the probe. A team of chartered accountants is verifying the tax and royalty evasion by the mining companies. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed media that after special investigation team's primary report, leases will be renewed accordingly. CM has warned criminal proceeding against the companies who are not cooperating with the mines department.
Renewal process of 13 mining leases is in final stage. Mines Minister Manohar Parrikar informed media that the lease renewal will be subject to the outcome of the probe.
आता सुद्धा हांवें रिन्यू केली आनी फाल्यां अशें लक्षांत आयलें की एखाद्या मनशान ही हॅज इंडल्ज इन सम इलिगॅलिटी ही इज नॉट एब्सॉल्व्ड फ्रॉम एनी क्रिमिनल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन. हे पयली पॉयंट लक्षांत धरा. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन. देर आर कंडिशन्स पुट अप इन द whatever renewal we do, in which one it makes it very clear that this does not absolve you of anything if it is found even afterwards. And leases can be cancelled even afterwards. SIT case ती प्रायमरी तांचो रिपोर्ट आयल्याशिवाय जावचीच ना रिन्यू.
Leases of those mining companies who have violated Section 37 and 38 mineral concession rule will not be renewed.
37 आणि 38 ज्यो शा कमिशनान इंडिकेट केल्या त्यो मायनी आमी आतां रिन्यू करचे ना. वी वील कंप्लीट द प्रोसिडींग्स अंडर 737 and 38. What will be those proceedings, I don't know. That will be final decided based on what kind of violation is there, nature of violation. Minor assault is a different issue. Major assault, as I said, from a fine to closing, cancelling of lease. It can happen anything depending on the type of violation.
Some of the mining companies are not cooperating with the director of mines in the probe. CM has warned of criminal proceedings against such companies.
If the companies don't cooperate after DMG issues a specific direction to them, obviously they have something to hide, then I will have to go for criminal investigation of that company. As of now, I am doing the civic audit. That means the CA team is matching the figures backward. So there are 17 chartered accountants who have been given. I'll hold a meeting of them again, find out what are the difficulties they are finding in their exercise.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Supreme Court has slammed the centre for trying to protect black money holders. The apex court has asked the centre to give names by Wednesday. Meanwhile, Goan miner Radha Timlok, whose name has appeared in black money probe, clarified that an official donation to a political party is not a crime. FIMI member Harish Melwani fears that this black money probe will invite more hurdles for mining industry in the state.
In a huge blow to union government, Supreme Court slammed the central government for trying to protect black money account holders in the foreign banks. The apex court has asked centre to give names in a sealed form by Wednesday. There are about 800 names on the list.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट को सारे नाम, जितने भी नाम जर्मनी या फ्रांस या कहीं से भी विदेशी बैंकों में हिंदुस्तानी नागरिकों के अकाउंट्स के आए हैं, वो सारे नाम कम से कम कोर्ट को कल तक दे दिए जाएं। कोर्ट ने ये बोला कि भाई तुम लोग इतने दिन हो गए, तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं हुआ, पता नहीं तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो, और ये हमको नाम दे दो, हम एसआईटी से जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाना होगा और एसआईटी डायरेक्शन देगी, जिसको जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है या हम देंगे या एसआईटी देगी।
Earlier in the day, Goa-based mine owner Radha Timlok clarified on camera that she does not owe any account either in Switzerland or Germany. While claiming that she has no political affiliations, Timlok said that making an official political donation is not a crime.
We don't have any undisclosed accounts in India or abroad. Now we have paid all our taxes. We are definitely will be cooperating with all the authorities if needed be, and also with the judiciary of this land. I have no any political affiliation, and I don't think in this country making a political donation officially is any criminal act. I don't think so.
Meanwhile, the FIMI Managing Committee member Harish Melwani fears that this black money probe will invite more hurdles to mining industries in the state.
तर पयलीं जाल्यार मायनींग इंडस्ट्रीचें नांव पयलींच बाद जाल्लें आनी ताजे वयर हाचें नांव पयलीं डिक्लेअर करप म्हणजे आतां ताचो परिणाम येतलोच न्ही मायनींग इंडस्ट्रीचेर की हांच्यांनी अफाट पयशे केले आनी ते पयशे भायर दवरले आनी टॅक्सां फारीक करूंक ना आनी हे आनी ते आनी ह्या टायमार तरी जेन्ना सरकार रिन्युवलाचें चिंत्तालो त्या टायमार हें खुबूजांव जावप म्हणजे एक अत्यंत दुख्खाची गोश्ट आनी तातूंत आतां परिणाम सरकाराचेर कितें येतलो आनी ताचो परिणाम कितें जातलो रिन्युवलाचेर आनी मायनींग इंडस्ट्री चालू जातली ओ ना ताचेर एक प्रश्नचिन्ह आयला.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.